Now to a developing story in Chapel Hill after school leaders received a report about a student who had brought a weapon on campus. School administrators say it happened this morning at the middle school. They searched the student's belongings and found a BB gun. The superintendent says the student was, quote, immediately detained, adding the district will take appropriate disciplinary action in line with their code of conduct and district policy. School officials also want to stress at no time today were students or staff in any immediate danger.